Hey, hello everyone. This is Business Plus, guys. Today is 25th of December 2022. Right? So I sent a signal in the VIP this night. So it's on Boom 1000 index for a buy and it's on H4 time frame. So the signal has been going well for a while now. Right? So um people who are in the VIP are making a lot of money right now, and I just wanna share how it looked like on the screen for you, and I'll go to the chart now and explain a little bit then. So as you can see, this is Boom 1000 in this the time frame we picked this signal is actually on H4 time frame. All right, and I'm gonna show exactly, or I'll show exactly the reason why this trade was picked from H4 time frame. Okay, so this is massive profit. All right, so as you can see, as at the time that the signal was dropped into the IP, you see is 8:37 p.m. All right, so this is Nigerian time. So while I will explain how exactly I took this trade. Now I like picking the list of my trade on 15 minutes time frame if I want the trade to run for a while. All right, so I usually scalp M1, M5, M15, so it's depending. All right, now I just want to, okay, so which I would say, um excuse me, let me just draw another one down here. Okay, so as we have two options here, two beautiful options. So yeah, this is the, let me show you the first option. The first option is this line here, okay, which is the resistance. Okay, so we have a break here, then after a little retest of this break, all right, you see, after a little bit retest of this break, I'll say a little consolidation of this trade. Then here we have um a very new trend going in the upward direction. Okay, so we have the going upward direction here, which is we have a very strong, which we have very strong support here. Okay, so after it retests here, then it keeps going back up, then we have a little bit pull down here. Okay, so the little pull down here does not say that we're gonna stay away from this, but basically this is not what I saw. But let me just show you what I actually saw. All right, because you have to put everything possible, everything that came to your mind into consideration. Now let's go to another higher time frame of M30. You see, we're having the same explanation as that of M15. Then we go a bit higher again. So, but we're actually going to 4 hours time frame. That's where we're gonna see a very clear picture of the reason why I took that trade. So we have the breakout on this first confirmation on M15 M15 time frame. So we have the confirmation on M15 time frame. Then after that we go in for a buy. All right, so we're going for a buy at this point, as you can see, of the lot size of 5 and 2 lot sizes. Then let's go to H4 time frame. So is on the H4 time frame that you're gonna see something beautiful. All right, then what is exactly, or what are the beautiful things that we have put into consideration for this trade? All right, so let me show you. If you have not seen it, let me show you. So this is it. Okay, so it's gonna form a very huge W pattern. It's gonna form a very huge W pattern. That's why I took this trade for a buy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'll pause the video, and if we make some profit more, then I'm gonna come back and show you the result. Okay, but this is just one of the major reasons why I took this trade of exactly what's happening on H4 time frame. And mind you, I did not say this trade will just keep going up. All right, it cannot just keep going up as this arrow is. Okay, probably along the way there will be a pull down, retesting, consolidation before it gets to where it's going. So it's gonna take few hours before that will happen. All right, so it's gonna take few hours. So what I will do now is just to pause the video here, and I'll also come back to show you the profit that I've made from this trade. Okay, so it's 11:50 p.m. on Christmas Day. So we make money, we spend money, we make money. So guys, I just want you to, I'll be back. I'll be back. Yeah.